Currently 5 in the morning, getting everything ready for the car meet in Idaho. So right now we're just making a few stops. Say what's up, Alan.
What's up, guys?
So yeah, so we got 3 hours ahead of us, getting some last minute things. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Get everything ready for the event. So right now we're just getting a few tables loaded to the trailer, and yeah, I think we're just waiting for one more person, and after that we should be hitting the road soon. Our last person here showed up. How's it going, neighbor? Right now we're just gonna get everything set up, everything unloaded, and yeah, and hopefully after this we can get to food because we're starving. Made it. Everything's still getting started up. Everybody's coming in, settling in. We just had to go park the truck real quick, and now we gotta make a long way back. I don't know if you guys can hear me at all, but it seems pretty dope. A few more hours until the thing finally starts. As you guys can see, we got everything all set up, you know.
Alright everybody, welcome to IDT today. We want to say welcome and thank you to everybody that's showing up. Quick reminder for everybody, whoever does not have a wristband, please enter the IDT booth, as well as a vehicle card. Whoever does not have one of those, swing over to the IDT booth.
We had a strong ass wind that took down our tent, but the event hasn't started yet. Still got 20 minutes until the event start, but yeah. As you can see, we're out here with no tent, but it's still going strong. First one out. Oh, he's awake. This heat ain't no joke. I'm just trying to go to the bathroom, but they blocked one of the entrance. So now I gotta walk all the way over there, and then walk all the way over there.
What?
How do you like the event?
So far, it's pretty sick. There's some dope cars here.
Oh, yeah. There was a big strong wind that hit us, and you know, it broke our tent, and it also broke the windshield as well. Put a bandage on it though, so it's all good. Nothing like a bandage can fix it. How you feeling?
Definitely like a heat stroke. Nah, just kidding, it's not too bad.
It's like that one in the middle. That one carbon.
As you guys can see, we got everything set up.
It's probably not like that one.
We got the harnesses, we got the bars, steering wheels, the quick release is right there.